Hey guys, it's Jack, and I just got this package in today. So I'm going to be unboxing, and I want you to join me in unboxing the Alienware Aurora R9. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. Okay. So, it is a box inside of a box. Who would have guessed? There we go. All right. It's got two of the sides in white, two of the sides in black. Let's pump it open and see what's on the inside. It's got some really cool designs here on the top. They're kind of like, I don't want to say etched in, but you can tell there's a little different off-color white that looks like little circuitry boards and things. Okay. And once again, in true Dell fashion, there's boxes inside of boxes. Alright. Woo! And here's the machine itself. The Alienware Aurora R9. Alright, let's pull it out. Oh, fancy. Oh. Ooh, I like the top here. Alright, let's go and pull out the styrofoam. Put it right back in there. Oh, nice. I like the way the front looks. That's pretty slick. Alright, let's see what's inside of this other box. This box is pretty sparing, actually. So we have very low form mouse. It only has 2 buttons. Nothing big and spectacular, but it is a free mouse, or comes with the package, shall I say. Okay. And then it's gonna come with a keyboard as well. And a fairly generic keyboard. Just fine. So I just bought the device itself. I didn't worry too much about the keyboard and the mouse. So the fact that it even came with the keyboard and the mouse is pretty cool. And of course, power cable for the Aurora R9, along with a little pamphlet. Very simple, quick startup guide. So that is my Aurora R9 unboxing. Thank you guys for joining me.